Today we're going to make a fox paper craft. You will need a fox template, which I will link in the description below. You'll need some scissors, and you'll need some glue stick, and you'll also need some coloring medium. I'm going to use paint. First things first, we have to color our picture. You can color this however you like. And of course, if you don't have a printer at home, you can always draw out the template. Your coloring doesn't have to be perfect because we'll be cutting out the pieces. After you're done coloring, it's time to cut out the pieces of our template. When you're done cutting out all the pieces, you can use glue to attach the pieces together. If you colored with wax crayon, you may want to attach your pieces differently, as glue stick won't work very well. I suggest a butterfly clips or push pins. Once all your pieces are attached, you're finished.